इसे कोई साबित नहीं कर सकता। No one can prove it. No one can prove it. कितनी लंबी कतार है। What a long queue. What a long queue. आज के लिए इतना ही। That's all for today. That's all for today. मुझे एक कॉल करना है। I have to make a call. I have to make a call. मैं सचमुच में नहीं जानता। I really don't know. I really don't know. अभी भी हम भोजन का प्रतीक्षा यानी इंतजार कर रहे हैं। Still, we are waiting for food. Still, we are waiting for food. अपनी जबान को संभालो। Mind your tongue. Mind your tongue. तुम क्या ढूंढ रहे हो? What are you looking for? What are you looking for? इन बातों को बताने का कोई फायदा नहीं। No use of telling these things. No use of telling these things. आप कब तक इस तरह का काम करेंगे? How long you will do such kind of job? How long you will do such kind of job? सभी मतलबी यानी स्वार्थी हैं। All are mean या selfish. All are mean और selfish. कृपया मेरा समय बर्बाद ना करें। Please don't waste my time. Please don't waste my time. क्या आप हमारे साथ फुटबॉल खेलना पसंद करेंगे? Would you like to play football with us? Would you like to play football with us? आपके साथ बात करना अच्छा होगा। That would be nice to talk with you. That would be nice to talk with you. अब ये बेकार है। Now it is useless. Now it is useless. मुझे पता है वो इतना परेशान क्यों है। I know why he is so upset. I know why he is so upset. अपने आप पर भरोसा करें। Trust yourself. Trust yourself. मैं अब तक उसके साथ रहता था। I lived with him till now. I lived with him till now. चिंतित या परेशान ना हो। Don't be worried or upset. Don't be worried or upset. मुझे उम्मीद है मैं निर्णय लेने के लिए काफी बालिग हूं। I hope I am mature enough to take decision. I hope I am mature enough to take decision. आलसी होना बंद करो। Stop being lazy. Stop being lazy. मुझे इतनी देर होने पर खेद है। I am sorry for being so late. I am sorry for being so late. तुम्हारी मदद के लिए शुक्रिया। I really appreciate your help. I really appreciate your help. वो ऊंचा सुनता है। He is hard of hearing. He is hard of hearing. कृपया इस तरह का व्यवहार ना करें। Please don't behave like this. Please don't behave like this. उन्होंने अपने पूरे जीवन में कभी रिश्वत नहीं ली। He never took a bribe in his entire life. He never took a bribe in his entire life. वास्तव में, दरअसल में. As a matter of fact. As a matter of fact. हाँफना बंद करो और हमें बताओ कि क्या हुआ. Stop panting and tell us what happened. Stop panting and tell us what happened. मैं इस बार कोई गलती नहीं देखना चाहता. I don't want to see any error this time. I don't want to see any error this time. वो निकल गया होगा. He would have left. He would have left. मैं वो हूं जो मैं बनना चाहता था. I am who I wanted to be. I am who I wanted to be. हमेशा के लिए रख लीजिए. Keep it forever. Keep it forever. उसने गौर किया जो मैं कहना चाहता था. She noticed what I wanted to say. She noticed what I wanted to say. मेरे पास उसका नंबर भी नहीं है. I don't even have his number. I don't even have his number. तुमने सब कुछ बिगाड़ दिया. You spoiled the whole things. You spoiled the whole thing. आपको पहले से नौकरी के लिए आवेदन करना चाहिए. You should apply for a job beforehand. You should apply for a job beforehand. Beforehand का मतलब होता है in advance. आप इसके जिम्मेदार हो. You are responsible for this. You are responsible for this. मुझे लगता है आपको थोड़ा आराम की आवश्यकता या जरूरत है. I think you need some rest. I think you need some rest. मैं अभी भी मैराथन जीत सकता हूं. I can still win the marathon. I can still win the marathon. आप मेरा फोन क्यों नहीं उठा रहे हो? Why are you not picking up my phone? Why are you not picking up my phone? आप लिखने में अच्छे हो. You are good at writing. You are good at writing. मेरे माता पिता मुझे आधी रात को बाहर जाने की अनुमति नहीं देंगे. My parents would not allow me to go outside at midnight. My parents would not allow me to go outside at midnight. उन्हें समझाना बहुत मुश्किल है. It is very difficult to convince them. It is very difficult to convince them. ठंडा पानी मत पियो. Don't take chilled water. Don't take chilled water. आज बहुत गर्मी है. It is very hot today. It is very hot today. पूरे सम्मान के साथ. With all due respect. With all due respect. क्या आप कृपया मुझे बातें बता सकते हैं? Can you please tell me the matter? Can you please tell me the matter? वो धूम्रपान का आदी हो चुका है. He has been addicted to smoking. He has been addicted to smoking. मैं नहीं सुन रहा था. क्या आप इसे दोबारा कह सकते हैं? I was not listening. Can you repeat it? I was not listening. कैन यू रिपीट इट? लैपटॉप की बड़ी बात यह है कि आप इसे कहीं भी ले जा सकते हैं. The great thing of laptop is that you can carry it at anywhere. The great thing of laptop is that you can carry it at anywhere. मैं इस पुरानी बाइक से छुटकारा पाना चाहता हूं. I want to get rid of this old bike. I want to get rid of this old bike.